How to update information on Temu account. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the option of View. Click on it. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Now click on your username. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now from here, you can easily update your information on Temu account. Firstly, you can add a profile picture by tapping on this option. Likewise, you can change your name. You can add something to your bio. You can change your gender. Likewise, you can update your email address and add phone number or change it. After you are done, you can head back. In the case you want to change your address, come to this page and head towards this option of addresses. Open it. Click on add a new address. And from here, you can easily add a new address to your Temu account. So this is how you can easily update information on Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.